8 reasons why you need a Microsoft Azure certification for a successful career in cloud computing. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service created by Microsoft for building, testing, deploying, and managing applications and services through Microsoft managed data centers. Most organizations across the world are adopting the cloud computing. The demand for skilled professionals in this field is significantly increasing. High salaries and broad range of options for cloud computing experts have made it a sought-after industry for IT professionals. Why do you need Microsoft Azure Knowledge? One skill that can significantly increase a candidate's chances of getting hired in the cloud computing domain is a certification in Microsoft Azure. So many opportunities out there for Microsoft Azure certified candidates have exponentially increased in recent years, owing to the growing demand in cloud computing. As per reports from Microsoft, over 1,000 new customers sign up to Azure daily. That's about 365,000 new companies adopting Microsoft Azure every year. Microsoft Azure is being used by over 57% of Fortune 500 companies. That's awesome. Through Azure, Microsoft's commercial cloud revenue has increased by 104%, with an annual return or run rate of about $6.3 billion in revenue. Also, Microsoft Azure, government offering is also backed by the US government. Benefits of Azure certification courses. 1. Microsoft Azure has the largest share of the cloud space. Azure is really catching up at an outstanding rate with its competitors. As per a survey conducted by David Zimbecki, a senior architect in Microsoft Consulting Services, Azure's user base is comparable to that of AWS, and that's Amazon Web Services. And their customer discussions have also moved from Hyper-V to Azure. Hey, if you find this video interesting, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel to be notified on future videos. Number 2, professional development. The demand for Azure services grows every day. Different certification types provide a solid base for professional development. These certifications cover multiple topics for developers and solution experts. In addition, more than 6 million government organizations use Azure Cloud Services. This means that you can get a position in the government, with your Microsoft Azure knowledge. Is that not a bonus? Is that not a plus? Number 3, focus on the public cloud. The cloud is being adopted in an increasing number for businesses, and cloud computing is expected to become over $300 billion, for businesses by 2023 globally. As the world of technology and computing develops, more and more careers are emerging to suit the needs of the evolving computing landscape. The data is impressive and quite convincing as to why you could consider learning cloud technologies like Microsoft Azure. Number 4, easy to adapt and learn. With Microsoft enjoying an effective monopoly in the personal computer operating system market, most users will be familiar with the Windows operating system. This makes the Microsoft Azure learning curve flatter than it is for other platforms. Having an awareness of the working principles of Azure is a very huge advantage, since concepts like Azure Automation and Operational Insights are quite easy to learn if you have an exposure to Microsoft's tools at work. Number 5, the technology of the future. There is no debating here that Microsoft Azure it's really the future. It's really the future when it comes to cloud computing. So cloud technologies like Azure are evolving at a rapid rate, outpacing the average rate of the growth in the IT sector as a whole. That's why I told you it is the technology of the future. Number 6, highly efficient tool. Azure is equipped to handle most of the traditional tasks of design, deployment, and management of platforms. According to Ziembicki, the efficiency of a cloud platform like Azure is best gauged by answering the following questions. Does it add value to a large application development project in Azure? Does it come with PowerShell console integration? Does it assist the upside of DevOps? 7. Improve DevOps skills. One of the latest technologies in the IT field is DevOps. DevOps brings people, processes, and technologies together to provide valuable services and develop products that meet business objectives. With DevOps skills, you can deliver cloud services such as design and implementation strategies for developing applications, automating processes, monitoring cloud environments, and continuous delivery. 8. Higher salary. An official Azure certification shows that you have specific technical skills rather than generic abilities. Certified cloud professionals are likely to get better recognition compared to other technology fields. Azure developers' average salary is estimated at $136,768 per year, and the average salary for an Azure architect is about $152,879 per year. You can improve your salary by taking additional courses and becoming a senior Azure professional. Keep in mind that salaries can be different across countries and organizations, and an Azure specialist can get anything from $40,000 and $14,000, $40,000 and $14 US dollars to $172,170 on average per year. I hope you're ready to learn more about Microsoft Azure Cloud Infrastructure as it's set to dominate the IT space. Microsoft Azure is growing faster than any other cloud services provider with an incredible 154% year-over-year growth rate. That's awesome. And if you found this video interesting or you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more cloud computing videos. Thank you. Interested in your career growth in data science? Visit DataCatchup.com. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.